Our second skill this week was subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. And the steps are the same as for when we were doing addition, except for there's a subtraction sign in the middle. So we're going to check out the denominators on the bottom, which is 12 and this 8, and they're not the same. So if they're not the same, we're going to find a common denominator. So I am just going to model both ways. So we're going to list all the factors of 12, which would be 12, 24, 36, 48. And we would keep going, but just using my knowledge, I know 48 will get us close. So then we do 8, 16, 24, 32, 48. Alright? So, now we find the number that's the same. The smallest number that's the same. So, 8 and 12 don't work. We have 16, we have a 24, but I have two 24, so 24 would work. So we put over 24, over 24. Now we count how many spaces. So this is my 12. To get to 24, we hop 1, 2 spots. This is the second spot. So we'd multiply that, and we get 16. We come to the bottom row. We're trying to get to 24, so that's 1, 2, 3. And so we get 3. So then now we're ready to subtract, and we get 13 over 24. Now remember, the bottom numbers, they just come along for the ride. They don't change. This is only true for addition and subtraction. Now when you get to the multiplication and division videos, it'll be a little bit different. So now that I have this answer, I go through the 10, 5, 2, 3, 7 rule. 10 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work, 3 doesn't work, and 7 doesn't work. So this number is simplified. Now, using this method is the one from 4th grade, and the one that I showed you in class was just to multiply the bottom numbers. So 12 times 8, so we get 96. We get 96. And so we cross multiply. 8 times 8 is 64. 12 times 1 is 12. And now we're ready to subtract. So we get 52 over 96. And using these numbers, I know that 10 doesn't work because they both don't end in 0. 5 doesn't work because they both don't end in a 0 or a 5. So then I go to 2. When I divide by 2, I get 26 over 48. So then I'm ready to go to my rules. And remember, we keep doing the 10, 5, 2, 3, 7 rule until we run out of numbers that will work. So 10 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 2 works again, and we get 13 over 24. So then we go again. 10 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work, 3 doesn't work, 7 doesn't work. So this one is simplified. Notice, it doesn't matter which method you prefer, that you like best. I actually saw a teacher do a different method, and I'll show you in another video on how to do that. But as long as you're getting the right answer and you understand the steps that you need to do, then you should be fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to multiplying and dividing fractions, which is very, very simple, as long as you don't mix up addition and subtraction rules with multiplication and division rules.